Hello and welcome to the KnowledgeFlow Cyber Hub. This video will help guide you through the Cyber Hub Premium portal and show you how to navigate and use its unique features to meet your privacy, security, and compliance management needs. Be sure to watch our first Cyber Hub intro video to see how to set up your profile and basic navigation. Let's take a few minutes to explore your new Cyber Hub Premium account. First, let's look at the event schedule. By clicking on the Event Schedule button, it will allow you to conveniently set up your meetings and appointments. In the drop-down menu, if you click on My Calendar, this will show you an organized calendar view and allow you to book appointments with the Cyber Hub team. If you click on Add Appointment, and then select the type of appointment you would like, Premium account members have access to several types of appointments. Here, you are able to conveniently select your date and time and click Save, which will then appear in your calendar. The NPO Premium Library Plan features additional documents, including templates, self-assessments, and checklists to help assist your organization with developing and implementing your privacy and security program. For example, if your nonprofit organization conducts a virtual meeting or appointments using teleconferencing softwares or apps, you will want to review the toolkit for managing privacy during virtual visits. Guides like this one have been created by the KnowledgeFlow team to assist nonprofits of all sizes across many public sectors. The NPO Projects section is your privacy and security project management dashboard. Under Projects in the drop-down menu, you will see a list of all of the current and pending projects assigned to your organization. By clicking on the specific project title and then on Tasks, you will be able to view all of your related project tasks and deadlines. Premium plan members are able to assign multiple team members to a project. Be sure to have your colleagues and peers join the Cyber Hub to enhance your team collaboration. Additional features in the Nonprofit Organization Project section include the specific file storage. This also includes a client chat functions in that same navigation bar, which enables project-specific questions and comments between you and the Cyber Hub team. The Cyber Hub Premium Plan features expert support and guidance through every phase. Projects may include facilitated privacy impact assessments, privacy checkups, and security incident management and guidance. Personal tasks can also be viewed and tracked across multiple projects by clicking the My Task button in the navigation bar. Additional tasks are easily added by clicking on the Add Task button in the top corner. The KnowledgeFlow Cyber Hub team wants to ensure that its users are provided with support when they need it. The Help and Support button in the navigation bar is just a click away and gives you access to an inbox communication platform. Here you can directly contact us and get the assistance that you need. Congratulations on completing this premium plan tour. Why not start now by completing your personal profile? Be sure to enable your two-factor authentication on your account to add that extra layer of security. Then book your initial consultation meeting with one of our Cyber Hub advisors. The KnowledgeFlow Cyber Hub is your one-stop portal for nonprofit privacy compliance and security program management. Bye for now.